Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil filter on your Toyota Land Cruiser. First, gather your tools, a wrench, a drain pan, and your new oil filter. Make sure your engine is warm but not too hot, as this helps the oil drain more easily. Next, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing, usually found on the underside of your vehicle. Safety first, so always use jack stands. Now, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Carefully remove the plug and let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once the oil flow slows to a drip, replace the drain plug securely. Then, use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old oil filter, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal and prevents leaks. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it's snug, then give it about a quarter turn more with your wrench. Next, carefully add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap. Check your owner's manual for the exact oil capacity. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any oil leaks around the new filter and the drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level on your dipstick. Top up if necessary. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Proper maintenance keeps your Land Cruiser running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.